My heart is burning with love. All can see this flame. My heart is pulsing with passion, like waves on an ocean. My friends have become strangers, and I'm surrounded by enemies. But I'm free as the wind, no longer hurt by those who reproach me. I'm at home, wherever I am, and in the room of lovers, I can see with closed eyes the beauty that dances. Behind the veils, intoxicated with love, I too dance the rhythm of this moving world. I have lost my senses in my world of lovers.
In my hallucination, I saw my beloved's flower garden. In my vertigo, in my dizziness, in my drunken haze, whirling and dancing like a spinning wheel, I saw myself as the source of existence. I was there in the beginning, and I was the spirit of love. Now I am sober. There is only the hangover and the memory of love, and only the sorrow. I yearn for happiness. I ask for help. I want mercy. And my love says, look at me and hear me, because I am here just for that. I am your moon, and your moonlight too. I am your flower garden, and your water too. I have come all this way, eager for you, without shoes or shawl. I want you to laugh, to kill all your worries, to love you, to nourish you. Oh, sweet bitterness, I will soothe you and heal you. I will bring you roses. I too have been covered with thorns.
Because of your love, I have lost my sobriety. I am intoxicated by the madness of love. In this fog, I have become a stranger to myself. I'm so drunk, I've lost the way to my house. In the garden, I see only your face. From trees and blossoms, I inhale only your fragrance. Drunk with the ecstasy of love, I can no longer tell the difference between drunkard and drink, between lover and beloved. A lover knows only humility. He has no choice. He steals into your alley at night. He has no choice. He longs to kiss every lock of your hair. Don't fret. He has no choice. In his frenzied love for you, he longs to break the chains of his imprisonment. He has no choice.
A lover asked his beloved, "Do you love yourself more than you love me?" The beloved replied, "I have died to myself and I live for you. I've disappeared from myself and my attributes. I am present only for you. I've forgotten all my learnings, but from knowing you, I have become a scholar. I have lost all my strength, but from your power, I am able. If I love myself, I love you. If I love you, I love myself."
I am your lover. Come to my side. I will open the gate to your love. Come settle with me. Let us be neighbors to the stars. You have been hiding so long, aimlessly drifting in the sea of my love. Even so, you have always been connected to me, concealed, revealed, in the known, in the unmanifest. I am life itself. You have been a prisoner of a little pond. I am the ocean and its turbulent flood. Come merge with me. Leave this world of ignorance. Be with me. I will open the gate to your love. I desire you more than food or drink. My body, my senses, my mind hunger for your taste. I can sense your presence in my heart. Although you belong to all the world, I wait with silent passion for one gesture, one glance from you. You come to us from another world, from beyond the stars and the void of space, transcendent, pure, of unimaginable beauty, bringing with you the essence of love. You transform all who are touched by you. Mundane concerns, troubles and sorrows dissolve in your presence, bringing joy to ruler and ruled, to peasant and king. You bewilder us with your grace. All evils transform into goodness. You are the master alchemist. You light the fire of love in earth and sky, in heart and soul of every being. Through your loving, existence and non-existence merge. All opposites unite. All that is profane becomes sacred again.
Of sorrow are tormenting my soul. You wait patiently, looking into my intoxicated eyes. You accept my passion with the serenity of love. You are the master of existence. One day, I shall be a lover like you.
Dawn of happiness, you gave me 3 kisses so that I would wake up to this moment of love. I tried to remember in my heart what I dreamt about during the night before I became aware of this morning of life. I found my dreams, but the moon took me away. It lifted me up to the firmament and suspended suspended me there. I saw how my heart had fallen on your path, singing a song. Between my love and my heart, things were happening which slowly made me recall everything. You arouse me with your touch, although I can't see your hands. You have kissed me with tenderness, although I haven't seen your lips. You are hidden from me, but it is you who keeps me alive. Perhaps the time will come when you will tire of kisses. I shall be happy even for insults from you. I only ask that you keep some attention on me.
Because the idol is your face, I have become an idolater. Because the wine is from your cup, I have become a drunkard. In the existence of your love, I have become non-existent. This non-existence, linked to you, is better than all existence.
Is it your face that adorns this garden? Is it your fragrance that intoxicates this garden? Is it your spirit that has made this brook a river of wine? Hundreds have looked for you and died searching in this garden where you hide behind the scenes. But this pain is not for those who come as lovers. You are easy to find here. You are in the breeze and in this river of wine.
From the beginning of my life, I have been looking for your face. But today, I have seen it. Today I've seen the charm, the beauty, the unfathomable grace of the face that I was looking for. Today I have found you. And those who laughed and scorned me yesterday are sorry that they were not looking as I did. I am bewildered by the magnificence of your beauty and wish to see you with 100 eyes. My heart has burned with passion and has searched forever for this wondrous beauty that I now behold. I am ashamed to call this love human and afraid of God to call it divine. Your fragrant breath, like the morning breeze, has come to the stillness of the garden. You have breathed new life into me. I have become your sunshine and also your shadow. My soul is screaming in ecstasy. Every fiber of my being is in love with you. Your effulgence has lit a fire in my heart, and you have made radiant for me the earth and sky. My arrow of love has arrived at the target. I am in the house of mercy, and my heart is a place of prayer.
Both light and shadow are the dance of love. Love has no cause. It is the astrolabe of God's secrets. Lover and loving are inseparable and timeless. Although I may try to describe love, when I experience it, I am speechless. Although I may try to write about love, I am rendered helpless. My pen breaks and the paper slips away at the ineffable place where lover, loving and loved are one. Every moment is made glorious by the light of love.
O God, let all lovers be content. Give them happy endings. Let their lives be celebrations. Let their hearts dance in the fire of your love. My sweetheart, you have aroused my passion. Your touch has filled me with desire. I am no longer separate from you. These are precious moments. I beseech you, don't let me wait. Let me merge with you.
Die in this love. If you die in this love, your soul will be renewed. Die. Don't fear the death of that which is known. If you die to the temporal, you will become timeless. Die. Cut off those chains that hold you prisoner to the world of attachment. Die to the deathless, and you will be eternal. Die and come out of this cloud. When you leave the cloud, you will be the effulgent moon. Die to the din and the noise of mundane concerns. In the silence of love, you will find the spark of life.
ounce of light, this sacred blessing, this divine love beckons us to a world beyond that only lovers can see with their eyes of fiery passion. They are the chosen ones who have surrendered. Once they were particles of light, now they are the radiant sun. They have left behind the world of deceitful games. They are the privileged lovers who create a new world with their eyes of fiery passion. Oh God, I have discovered love. How marvelous, how good, how beautiful it is. My body is warm from the heat of this love. How secret, how deep, how obvious it is. I offer my salutations to the stars and the moon, to all my brothers and all my sisters. I offer my salutations to the spirit of passion that aroused and excited this universe and all it contains. I have fallen, unable to rise. What kind of trap is this? What chains have tied my hands and feet? It is so strange and so wonderful, this loving helplessness of mine. Be silent. Do not reveal the secret of my precious love. Nothing is eternal but drinking your wine. There is no reason for bringing my life to you other than losing it. I said, I just want to know you and then disappear. She said, knowing me does not mean dying.
The sky was lit by the splendor of the moon, so powerful I fell to the ground. Your love has made me sure I am ready to forsake this worldly life and surrender to the magnificence of your being.
lovers, where are you going? Who are you looking for? Your beloved is right here. She lives in your own neighborhood. Her face is veiled. She hides behind screens calling for you while you search and lose yourself in the wilderness and the desert. Cease looking for flowers. There blooms a garden in your own home. While you go looking for trinkets, the treasure house awaits you in your own being. There is no need for suffering. God is here.
My love for you has driven me insane. I wander aimlessly, ruins of my life. My old self, a stranger to me. Because of your love, I have broken with my past. My longing for you keeps me in this moment. My passion gives me courage. I look for you in my innermost being. I used to read the myths of love. Now I have become the mythical lover.
I'm drenched in the flood which has yet to come. I'm tied up in the prison which has yet to exist. Not having played the game of chess, I'm already the checkmate. Not having tasted a single cup of your wine, I'm already drunk. Not having entered the battlefield, I'm already wounded and slain. I no longer know the difference between image and reality. Like the shadow, I am and I am not.
The agony of lovers burns with the fire of passion. Lovers leave traces of where they've been. The wailing of broken hearts is the doorway to God.
long for your love. Oh, supreme lover, let me leave aside my worries. The flowers are blooming with the exaltation of your spirit. By Allah, I long to escape the prison of my ego and lose myself in the mountains and the desert. These sad and lonely people tire me. I long to revel in the drunken frenzy of your love and feel the strength of Rustum in my hands. I'm sick of mortal kings. I long to see your light. With lamps in hand, the sheiks and mullahs roam the dark alleys of these towns, not finding what they seek. You are the essence of the essence, the intoxication of love. I long to sing your praises, but stand mute with the agony of wishing in my heart.
We are the mirror as well as the face in it. We are tasting the taste this minute of eternity. We are pain and what cures pain both. We are the sweet cold water and the jar that pours. I want to hold you close like a lute so we can cry out with loving. You would rather throw stones at a mirror? I am your mirror, and here are the stones.
I am so small, I can barely be seen. How can this great love be inside me?
Look at your eyes. They are small, but they see enormous things.
God is within. My heart is in harmony with my head. My spirit soars as a bird in search of new sky. The essence of my life releases the God I love everywhere.
There is some kiss we want with our whole lives. The touch of spirit on the body. Seawater begs the pearl to break its shell. And the lily, how passionately it needs some wild darling. At night, I open the window and ask the moon to come and press its face against mine. Breathe into me. Close the language door and open the love window. The moon won't use the door, only the window. When it's cold and raining, you are more beautiful. And the snow brings me even closer to your lips. The inner secret, that which was never born. You are that freshness, and I am with you now. I can't explain the goings or the comings. You enter suddenly, and I am nowhere again, inside the majesty.
Know that my beloved is hidden from everyone. Know that she is beyond the belief of all beliefs. Know that in my heart she is as clear as the moon. Know that she is the life in my body and in my soul. The lover comes. The lover comes. Open the way for him. He's looking for a heart. Let's show him one. I scream, what you came to hunt is me. He says laughingly, I'm not here to hunt you, but to save you.